My name's Jasbir and I've just spent the day at the seminar today with Marcus. I found the whole day to be really engaging, learned a lot. I've read Marcus's book about the lunchtime trader, and this really sort of starts to put a bit more sort of flesh on the bones. It's been a really good interactive day. I've had a really good day, and now I'm hoping to get on to the workshops.
I'm Gentiana, I'm from Belgium, and today was fabulous. I really thought it was interesting, especially that everybody can do it. Everyone can have the skills, but it's just right, the mindset. You have to have a winner's mentality, you have to have the discipline, and just go for it. So I really thought it was inspirational to be here today.
My name's Henry and I come from Wimbledon, which is not too far away, so I haven't had far to travel today. I came to the seminar because I have some assets and I need to understand how to get them better invested. I found the seminar excellent, thought Marcus was inspirational and huge energy, very impressive, and I like also the approach that he's taking, the products that he's offering, and some of the rules and tips and techniques he's given us in terms of investment. So I'm going to take it forward and do the workshop. Excellent.
Hello, my name is Joyce. I'm from Sheffield. So I attend the one-day seminar today on the stock, and I actually, don't get me wrong, I was a bit skeptical when I gone to the forest, and because it was a bit, I don't think I learned enough. So when I came the second time for the stock, I actually realized that I learned a lot more. So I don't know whether because the first time, it is my first time, so a bit like, what is all this word about? But this time I actually a bit more solid on the information, and actually take on board a lot more, and I actually find the stock is probably more my thing. That's why I get a bit more. So I actually really enjoy today. I actually do recommend you to come for at least try one day to see whether it's your thing or not, because that's what I did.
My name is Panagiotis Christopoulos and I'm a Greek guy, and I joined here today this course with Marcus de Maria. So it was an amazing day being here since 10 o'clock, and now we are 6. So it was a full day, full of energy, meeting like nice people, having all these very nice strategies that we can apply back into real life. And I'm glad also that Marcus is like a very genuine guy and clicks for me, so that's why I also make the decision to go with his two-day workshop. And I'm gonna see him again in a few months' time. So yeah, it clicked for me. I really appreciate all these things that he said with us today, and I feel like there's a really value to it. So that's why I got the course, and also I'm definitely gonna spread the rumor out to my friends and family as well.
Hi, I'm Ali Houston. This is my second day doing the one-day workshop. It's been absolutely incredible. I've learned so much more the second time that I didn't pick up the first time. So these courses are available. Do them more than once. I also did the 3-day workshop as was, and it was absolutely phenomenal, absolutely brilliant. I'm still learning, I'm still on the demo account, but I have to say that this workshop was very good. Totally recommend it, and it will lead on to bigger and better things.
My name is Elias and I live in the UK. I just moved into the country, and today was really wonderful because I just discovered Marcus on YouTube a week ago, and from then I just binge watched every videos and read his books. I didn't really know much about the stock markets or anything. To me it was stock and Forex was basically the same thing, but coming here I learned so much in just a day, and I think I would recommend the workshop. I would personally go on and go further than just attending the one-day course, because it's just wonderful and there's so much opportunity in it.
Yeah, I think it's a really good seminar to take. I think it's very helpful, shows you the art of the possible, and I think everybody should consider, if they want to make proper use of their investments and help to fund their lifestyle, they should come and do this seminar.
My name is Ljubica. I traveled from Isher, which is not very far from here, but I'm actually from Slovakia. And why I came here? So firstly, I know Marcus de Maria from previous workshop. I know him. He's very passionate about everything what he's doing, and when I learned that he represents this company. So I decided to come here and educate myself a bit more. I'm following the information about stock investment for a short period of time, and I wanted to learn much more about it, and I found it very, very inspirational. Marcus is really full of passion and about all that job, and I believe I would like to him being my mentor. I would love to be one day on the place where he is, and I believe it's the knowledge he's got and his trainers they have. I can do it. I'm able to do it. I learned today some certain strategies. How can I achieve my financial goals, which I believe are not very difficult to do. And definitely I would love to say about these strategies to my children, and well, I believe I will achieve my financial goals soon in near future.
Hi, I'm Kathy.
I'm Sammy.
And this is my son, and we came here today to educate both ourselves on how to make more out of our money. Especially Sammy's got some money in his savings which he's not getting interest from, and he's got a lot of interest in making it work for him. For me, I want to make sure that I work my money for my retirement. Really, really good course. Amazing, would recommend it to anyone that's interested in making their money work for them.
I find it really educational, because also Marcus is really inspirational, and he's it all makes it go in, because it's very interactive as well.